Hey everybody, we're going to make the greatest marinara sauce that you gotta make in your life. Not these awesome fried raviolis though, that's for another time. You don't have to believe me, just hear what this guy had to say.
That's good, boy. Shawty. Shit's mean, boy.
Yeah, isn't that mean? Now listen, the man said it, not me, okay? But hey, let's check out what the secret is. So you're heating up some olive oil. You're gonna throw in half of an onion, 3 carrots, 3 celery, some more celery, more celery. Alright, I think that's it. Yeah, that's all of it. So that's mirepoix, which is onion, carrot, and celery mix. Don't worry about the chopping slices, nothing. You're gonna do rustic cuts, because we're gonna blend this at the end. We're gonna throw in just 2 knobs of butter, like Ramsey would say. Or just, some butter. Throw in some butter there. We don't need to get too much color, however you can, it's fun. But we're just gonna soften them up. And then throw in some nice Italian tomatoes. Yes, look, they're Italian. You can go back and see it. Now, I always put a little water in the can just to get a little of that tomato out. We're gonna use some, we're gonna get fancy, put in some wine, a cup, some red wine in there, about a 1/4 cup. Some nice amount of garlic. And we're gonna throw in some fresh oregano leaves. Now, you can use dry. I love dry spices, but I got the fresh stuff today. Now, I also got myself some basil. Don't be shy with the basil. Use a good amount. Okay, looks like I was getting a little shy there, but get that one right there too. A good amount of basil. Now, we're just gonna go ahead and just bring it to a simmer. Let those flavors just kind of marinate. Let them just mix it together. Let them get to know each other. Talk, chill out. But not too long, okay? Just bring it to a simmer. Gonna go ahead and put in some chicken base in there. You can use chicken stock, but you're just adding more extra water to it. So I like the base. She's been simmering for about 30 minutes now. Now we're gonna spice her up a little bit. Put some chili flakes, a couple shakes of black pepper, and with Counter Magic, we're just gonna speed up time and blend this quick with an immersion blender. I almost forgot what it's called, but the hand blender is called immersion blender. And don't forget the secret weapon, salt and sugar. So that's a mix. It wasn't just a lot of sugar, it's a mix. As you can see, I also added more black pepper because, let's be honest, I was a little shy. I gave it like 4 shakes. And that's it. Very simple, yet guaranteed best marinara sauce you'll ever have.